Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure data with LinkedIn step by step clearly. To begin securing your data with LinkedIn, start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the upper left corner. Next, look for the Me icon in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. You will now find yourself on the Settings page. Under the Account tab, review the first section that covers account preferences. Ensure that your two-step verification is enabled for added security. To do this, click on Two-Step Verification and follow the prompts to register your mobile device. Next, move to the Visibility tab in the Settings menu. Here, you can adjust who can see your profile, activity, and connections. Limit your profile visibility to only your connections or customize it further. Proceed to the Data Privacy section found under the Privacy tab. Review the settings related to how LinkedIn uses your data and adjust them according to your privacy preferences. Consider downloading a copy of your data by selecting how LinkedIn uses your data and opting for Download Your Data. This step ensures you have a backup of your information outside of LinkedIn. Review also the Ads section to manage how your data is used for advertising purposes. Switch off any personalization options that you are not comfortable with. Finally, always keep your profile and other personal information updated accurately. Regularly audit your security settings to ensure they align with your current privacy needs. By following these steps, you can effectively secure your data on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.